everybody, I'm Mason from the Austin office. I'm borrowing Tute's laptop because it works so well for him. This is definitely going to be less entertaining than a laughing baby, but here we go. Humane Development. I first heard about Humane Development at RailsConf this year. Ernie Miller gave a great talk. And I thought it was interesting because not only do we practice humane development here, I think it's basically what we sell. It's humane development as a service. So I'm going to start with a story, like Ernie did. Ernie got promoted to a management position. He used to be a programmer, and he went to his boss and he said, "Boss, all my employees are unhappy, we're missing our deadlines, they're burned out, what do I do?" And his boss said, "You're thinking of this all wrong. Think of it like another development task. Your team members are objects in the system, and you're doing engineering just like you would with software." And this made him upset because humans are not objects in a system. We're humans, and we have feelings, and if you treat us like objects, it makes us sad. So he quit, and he wrote a blog post about what he called humane development. So the main idea behind humane development is remembering that we are humans working with humans to develop software for the benefit of humans, and that software can and should be created with a minimum amount of pain. I think this goes along nicely with how we work at thoughtbot, because we focus a lot on developer happiness, and if developers are happy, then they're in the minimum amount of pain. So I think it's very similar. The first way we can do this is remember that it's a marathon or a 10K, not a sprint. This is something we do very well, I think. Sustainable pace. If you work more than 40 hours a week at thoughtbot, it's looked down upon. Unlimited time off, blah, blah, blah. I think we've got sustainable pace down. That's coming. Empathy. We should try as hard as we can to empathize with each other. The business and development should not be two different things working against each other. As developers, we should try and understand what we're building and why, and the business should attempt to understand what it's like to be developers. Honesty. We should be as honest as we can to each other. I think that estimates are one of the biggest lies that we tell ourselves and each other, and the fake deadlines with the frog. I think we're pretty good at that as well, and not setting arbitrary deadlines, not doing too many estimates. I would even minimize them more. But yes, honesty, I think we're very good at as well. Autonomy, I think, is what we're working on now, sort of, to figure out how that works as a consultancy. Ernie Miller thought that people should be able to work anywhere, anytime. That might be a little different for us since we're a consultancy, but I think I'm glad that we're moving in the right direction there. So, humane development is, yeah, we are humans. We're remembering that we are humans working with humans to develop software for the benefit of humans. I would definitely watch the talk if you're interested at all, and go check it out and do some research. How can you help? The website is terrible. It looks like a developer made it. We should definitely redesign it. Maybe put a job board on there, I was thinking, which would be really cool for our clients. And I think talking about it would be huge. Sell it to our clients, sell humane development. I think it would be very valuable for recruiting and retention, which will be important to them. Yeah, and that is it.